All right, good morning, guys. We're back again. I think it's day 3 or 4. So since it was a lot brighter, I had a chance to actually look around the car, and you will see, I will try to show you as best as possible. I did have to resand some parts. I had a run here. Feels like I might have to sand that again. And I had a run here, and I had a couple more runs over here. So also here and here. That's because of lack of lighting, guys. I mean, when you don't have the light and you're trying to do this in the evening, even though I had 2 lights, I missed it. I did not see it until till this morning. I came in and said, well, I gotta wet sand it, so that's exactly what I did. All right, so I'll get back to you as soon as I gotta let everything dry, respray it again, and I'll show you guys some more video on how I'm drawing it out and doing the lines. I tell you, you gotta have a super steady hand. You gotta kind of use your hand as a guide to draw these lines. It ain't easy, but once again, it's hard to see in the light, but right now, these are my favorite details. Like all these little details around the turn signals. I'm gonna put a couple of fog lights in here I mentioned before in the other video. So, and it's coming along. It's more work than I anticipated, but that was because overall the nasty paint job that was on it. I mean, like I said, you're sanding and you're chipping away paint. There's definitely something wrong. So, all right, guys, we'll be back. Hey guys, before we continue this video, I wanted to bring to you our sponsor, which is also a company that me and my sister started. So our company is called Fresh Pumps. What is Fresh Pumps? It's these cool hand sanitizers that go on your wrist. How do they work? Simple. When you order from us, we give you a bottle that you refill with hand sanitizer or any other products that you use to put on your skin, hand lotion, sunscreen, so forth and so on. You can inject it into your wristband. So what you do is you simply put it here in the hole, inject it, fill it up with your hand sanitizer, and there you go. And you have hand sanitizer all day. 15 pumps you get out of this thing. It's the greatest thing I've seen. So guys, go to getfreshpumps.com on our website, or check us out on IG at Fresh Pumps. Guys, this would be a perfect gift for a first responder, anybody that you know is a nurse, a police officer, a firefighter, so forth and so on. I mean, this is a great gift for everybody. And let me tell you, we've kept the cost down low. $6, you can get yourself a Fresh Pump. So now let's get back to this video and finish this thing already, all right? Okay, this is where I'm at so far. I'm actually almost done. I'm doing the white accents. You see here? Looks pretty cool. I got a few more to do, and then I gotta wait for everything to completely dry, and then I'll be ready for clear coat. So I'll put you guys right here and watch me do some of these accents. I think that's good. Plenty of accents. think that's pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see it better at this angle. Yeah, I'm gonna let everything dry up, and then I'm gonna prep it again, and then do the clear coat, and then that should be it. And I start putting everything back together. Tail lights, headlights, yay! All right, guys, so everything is finally dried up. I just finished putting all the accents on it, and I am actually ready to spray the clear coat. So let me go get my mask, and I'll start spraying. Whew. Well, as you can tell, God, that stuff is strong. So as you could tell, I was having problems with the compressor. So I have a bigger one at home, but you know, how am I gonna get it here to the shop? So I brought the double tank, and you could use the gun at between 30 and 40 PSI. I did the best I could. So I do have to get this car together tonight. Can't keep taking this company truck home. But let's take a look at it, man. Pretty nice. Woo! That stuff is strong. So it's supposed to be a one coat. I've never used it before. That's what I used. Ready to spray lacquer, no mixing required, no recoat window. So, God, that sucked. That sucked. I mean, you know, I did the best I could. It was rattle can. You know, but damn thing looks pretty freaking good, man. Man, look at that. That's a nice shine to it. I did throw a gloss. So, alright, well, gotta wait for all this to dry, and then I get to put it back together. Man, it's only the headlights, tail lights. Get it done. Alright, be back in a bit.